Using the flash fill, how do we segregate first and last names, and how do we get the required cells, and also how to combine different variables to one cell. And go to special options. Let's go. Please find the link in the description to download this Excel file, and also please subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Update Tech Skills. Today I'm going to explain about how to use flash fill without using any formula. The shortcut key is called Ctrl E, which is available after Excel 2011 version onwards. Here is a few tasks. I'm having employee and then company name in one cell. I need to segregate employee names and then company names to the different columns without using any formula. Sometimes in Excel we don't get time to write the formulas. So at that time we are able to use that flash fill. Example, I need to get the first name here. So Glenn is the first name in that particular cell. If I drag this to down, what will happen? We'll get the same name. So I'm just pressing Ctrl Z. I'll just highlight the cells here from the first cell till the last cell here. I will use the shortcut key called Ctrl E to active the flash fill. It will come to know what exactly we're expecting. But how it works? It works completely based on the first cell input. In a first cell, if I'm updating only two letters, rest everything will take the same format. So based on the first cell input, we'll get the results. So I'm going to write the full name, then it will take the same format. According to that, I need to pull the company name. So it's IBM, then I'll highlight the cells, then I will use the same shortcut key called Ctrl E. According to that, we got the last name. So without using any formula, it means if I delete the source data also, nothing will happen because it doesn't have any link. Ctrl Z to come back. A different example here. I need to create one proper email ID for this, like glenn.ibm@course.com. Example. Then rest everything I'm going to highlight from the same cell, then Ctrl E to add to the flash fill. According to that, I got the format. Then one more example here. I want to get only initials. Let's say Benton Jones. So I need to get B and J. Rest everything and then Ctrl E. We got the initials. So like that. One more example here. I'm having employee names and company names in a different cells. I need to combine two variables to one cell without using any formula again. Benton space IBM. Rest everything I'm going to select. I will use the same shortcut key called Ctrl E. According to that, it has combined without using any formula. But if I want to add any kind of shapes in between that, I'll just do some changes in the first cell. According to that, rest everything will take the same one. So this is about the flash fill without using any functions. And what is mean by go to special? Go to special nothing but based on the requirement we are going to highlight the cells. It could be formula cells or only error cells or constant. Under that constant it could be text characters or numerics. Completely it's based on the requirement going to highlight the cells. In this particular sheet I don't know how many formula cells we are having, so we should not check it manually. So I'll just press Ctrl G is a shortcut key for go to, then we'll go to the special, we'll select formulas, click on OK. Only formula cells are highlighting. At the right side of the corner I am able to see there are 10 formula cells are there in this particular tab. Technically speaking, all formulas will start with an equal sign. After that equal sign, if I take one cell address, for example A4, whatever the value is there in A4, it's going to reflect here. Then if I go to special again, Ctrl G special formulas, click on OK, it will also highlight. Because of that equal sign, it assumes there is a formula, but I don't want it to be highlighted. Then what I could have done here, Ctrl G, go to and then special. Under that formulas, we are able to remove the text. I don't want to highlight on text characters. Then I'll click on OK, accept this. It will select only the numeric records, the only one formula cell. For example, equals to 10. Rest everything if I bring it down, then go to special formulas, click on OK. All the formula cells are highlighting, and again go to special formulas. I am able to remove the text. Now this level column will not be considered as a formula cells because I removed the text character. In the same way, if I want to highlight only constants, it means non-formula cells. So Control G special, I can select constant, or if I don't want to select on text, I can remove it. Then I'll just click on OK. It will select only constant records. If I want to delete all these images at one time, then Control G special objects and click on OK. All the images will be selected. I can move together or I can delete together. So in this way, I'm able to highlight based on the requirement using that go to special options.